Hello. This is only a pork chop. Oil first, and then after oil, after oil, I put this meat. But before meat, I put this. What's the name? This one. I put him a lot. This. Forgot the name of this. I don't know what happened to John, and then onions. Oh, I remember now the name of this. There's this garlic, and then onion, and then this pork chop. So that's healthy. Because the pork belly is good, but the pork belly is good. But, this one is better than pork chop. And because I don't have appetite this day, I don't have appetite. I didn't have lunch yet. Today is already 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. But it's good because I don't have appetite. Just I can lose weight. Now I go to the store because we had a calabasa from our garden, and now I buy this possibly pork belly, but instead of pork belly, so that for our good health, I just buy the pork chop. This calabasa is still young, and I was already in the water. And I tried to not to eat too much rice, because I will eat very little only, because so that he will be healthy. So this calabasa, this is our calabasa. This is the different kind of how I cook. Okay, I have to turn off first. I believe this is delicious. Because I don't really eat rice, I just eat this one. Calabasa. I want to be healthy. I want my wife to be healthy. I have to cook everything. I think I will cook everything. My wife will be happy with me. She will be here later because I cook food, healthy food. It's too much. The temperature today is too hot. Okay. Bye. Alright, thank you for watching. God bless.